Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Today we are doing a new review, a new product that was released of some creatures that live in some kind of body water. A few years ago, a little while ago, they came out with a kraken who was in the ocean. Nice looking cap. Never really wear this. I didn't steam it or anything. This was just, I think I've worn this once. Of course, you got the kraken logo. And then Boston Skelly came out with a new one. And this is more of a, well, I guess it would be a lake, because that's usually where the Loch Ness Monster is usually found. And so let's go ahead and open it up. So they got another body of water, which would be the ocean. Maybe next year they come out with Charybdis. I don't know. That is that mythical creature that had like the kind of like the trimmer's mouth, where it formed like a whirlpool and it sucked everything in. Yeah, it big it's my best thing would be like the Trimmers movie where it had all the teeth and it just opened up, but in the ocean. Or I'm sorry, yeah, in the ocean. Yep. And I did get the shirt with it as well. Ooh, it came with a dust bag, and I did get the pin for this as well. So we're going to start off with the dust bag. And this is the Loch Ness Monster that is found in the lake. I remember years ago watching like Unsolved Mysteries, and somebody was having a photo, that gray and black photo, that had the little Loch Ness Monster. But yeah, that's the dust bag. Cool looking logo. Really like the logo a lot. Let's go ahead and get the pin here. And see if we can get that to focus in. And there is the pin. We're going to put that on the cap. But this is the cap. Cool looking colors, pretty similar. I mean, as far as the patchwork design, obviously it would be. And this is the Loch Ness. I'll take out the cardboard here. You got the Loch Ness Monster on the inside. It's got the vinyl sticker, kind of like the Kraken, will stick to your bald head. And let's go ahead and open up the shirt. It's got Loch Ness on the front left pocket. And you got the Loch Ness on the back with the logo. Pretty cool looking logo there again. I really did dig the logo. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and show you a close-up, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the shirt. Of course, you got the Loch Ness Boston Skelly. Go ahead and flip it around here. Nice looking Loch Ness Monster on the back with the logo. Then you got the dust cover, the cap with the Loch Ness pin. Let's straighten that up a little bit. And of course, that is the Kraken from a couple of years ago, or however long ago that was released. So we're going to go ahead and put all this on and show you what it looks like. I'll be right back. All right, so we have the Loch Ness shirt on. We'll go ahead and show you what that looks like on. Great looking shirt. Really do dig it. I wish the Kraken would have had a shirt, because I would have definitely got that as well. And without further ado, the Loch Ness is about to be worn. Great fit. Great. Oh, yeah, this looks good. Great looking cap. Really like this. I might wear this tomorrow. I am going to wear this tomorrow. I made the decision. I'm wearing it tomorrow. Yeah, compared to the Kraken. Let me know what you guys like more. This is the Kraken. Obviously not with the shirt, but I think I like these greens. I think I like the Loch Ness more. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, so this is the Loch Ness. Let me know what you guys like more, the Loch Ness or the Kraken. And like I said, maybe they'll come out with the Charybdis next year. Boston Skelly, hint, hint. But we will see. Again, this is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.